If you have already subscribed, then click the bell icon to get instant notifications when I put a new video up. Do it now.
Hi, I'm Sanchari and it's time for some DIY. Why? Cause I love it.
What's up guys, I am Rob. Welcome to my channel. You know, when I was younger, when I was a kid, I used to love collecting stickers. And I can proudly say that I have figured out a way to make my own stickers. That too without any sticker paper. Isn't that cool? I think it's awesome. So get ready, it's time for some DIY. Why? Because I love it. Alright, let's get started. So like I said, we are making our very own stickers without sticky paper. Instead, we will use sticky tape. Now, I won't just make a drawing and stick it with this. We will make actual stickers that you can store and you can stick whenever you want. So let's get started. Alright, so I have a sheet of paper here. This is a regular cartridge sheet. Now we will draw an image on this. Now you have to keep in mind that we are using sticky tape and the sticker will be the size of the tape. So either you can measure that or you can just keep it and take like a rough marking. So I just made two tiny dots on the top and bottom here, which will give me a rough indication on how big my sticker should be. Alright, let's get started with the doodle. Here I'm quickly making an outline with the pencil. Right now, I am going to draw a character from my current favorite animated series. If you know who that character is, then do let me know in the comments below. Then I'm inking it. And erasing all the pencil lines. And then you can just color it in some bright colors like this. And voila, we are done. Look at that. I think it looks pretty cool. So either you can stick to something hand-drawn like this, or you can do something like this, where I illustrated some of my favorite things on the computer. If you don't want to draw, you can just download some images and print them. Now what we need to do is we have to convert these into stickers. So what we'll do is first we will cut them to size. Okay, we are done cutting. As you can see, I have cut all these illustrations and now I'm going to stick them on sticky tape. So let's get the sticky tape in. So here I have sticky tape. Now what we'll do is we'll pull some out and we'll keep it on the mat with the sticky side facing upwards. So I'll just keep scissors here so it stays intact. And now I'll just stick all my illustrations on it. And now because the sticky side is up, the illustrations will stick to the tape. Once you're done, use your scissors to cut it and then press it down. So now you can see all your illustrations have a nice glossy finish, just like actual stickers. So now we'll quickly cut it again so we have individual pieces. Okay, done. And now I'm going to show you the next step. So here I have double-sided tape and this is our secret weapon. So the trick is to stick the double-sided tape behind this and then you can just peel it off whenever you want like a sticker and stick it to any surface. So now we'll do the same thing like we did for the tape. Pull out a nice big piece, just hold it in place and stick all these individual pieces on the double-sided tape. Once you're done sticking them on the double-sided tape, you can cut the extra bit out. So here you can see I'm cutting them cleanly. I'm leaving a little border around them because I think it looks nice. It's like a frame around the sticker. And with that, our stickers are now ready. Look at that, how cool they look. This you can store in your book, in your pocket, wherever you want, and whenever you feel like you can stick it because now it has a nice sticker back because of the double-sided tape. Guys, I think this is a really simple and inexpensive way of making your very own stickers. It's so easy, I think you should definitely try it out. If you found this tutorial helpful, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, like it, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. In the comments down below, put a peace emoticon so I know you enjoyed watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. Until then, remember, like I always say, do good and be good. Peace.